morning students. Welcome to computer class of 9th standard. Today we will discuss chapter 7 input in Java. As in the last video we have discussed about advantages of packages, how to import package, using packages and common packages in Java. Today we will discuss input using scanner class, means how to accept the data from the user using the scanner class, what is stream, types of stream, and what is delimiter. And this we will discuss through page number 133 and page number 134. So start with the term delimiter. A delimiter is a sequence of one or more characters that separate two tokens. Basically, delimiter can be a space or a comma that separate different characters from one another. So start with the topic input using scanner class. The scanner is a class in the java.util package that can be used to accept various type of inputs. So scanner is an inbuilt class in the java.util package, that is utility package, that is used to accept various type of inputs. Means you can accept integer data, float data or string type of data. For using the scanner class, we need to understand two basic concepts: stream and system.in. So we will discuss what is stream. A stream is a path along which data flows. Path means a way along which data pass. It transfers the data from a source to a destination. Source means keyboard and destination means our terminal window or output screen. For example, a stream can be understood like a hose pipe along which water flows. See, in the example, this water container is a source from which water travels and these shrubs are the destination. So, water is coming from a hose pipe through source to a destination. See, the water container is the source, shrubs are the destination and the pipe serves as a stream which carries water. Similarly, we input data to a program via the keyboard, that is source. The data is then stored in the computer memory, that is destination, for further processing. So now we will discuss the types of stream. So there are two types of stream. Number one, input stream, used to read data from a source, and second is output stream, used to writing data to a destination. So we are having two types of stream, input stream and output stream. Now we will discuss what is system.in. The keyboard uses a special stream called system.in to transfer the entered data to a destination. The output of this stream is in bytes, means whatever data you have entered from the keyboard, it changes into bytes, that is 0 and 1. See, firstly this is a keyboard, that is a source. From the source we are typing the data, like any kind of data like 1, 2, 3 or ABC. Now with the help of system.in, it changes into bytes like 0 and 1. Now we will understand system.in and system.out. System.in, as we have discussed, is used to input data from a keyboard. and system.inStream is also known as standard input. Similarly, system.outStream is used to display output on the monitor, that is our terminal window, and system.outStream is also known as standard output. Now we will discuss the scanner class. The scanner class is the latest development in Java introduced in JDK 5. JDK means Java Development Kit 5. The scanner reads the input data from the keyboard and convert it into values of various data types. Means it make it easier for the programmer to read all types of numeric data, string data and other types of data. Now we will understand the scanner class with this example. See, firstly we are having a keyboard from where we are typing the data. It can be a string data, float type of data, that is 19.5, or integer data. With system.inStream with the help of this path, the data changes into bytes, that is 10110011, and when it reaches to a destination with the scanner class, again the data changes into its normal state, that is within string or float or double. So with the help of this input with the scanner class, the data firstly changes into bytes and again on the terminal window it comes into its original state. Now we will discuss how the scanner class works. The scanner breaks its input into tokens using a delimiter pattern. Means whatever the data we have entered from the keyboard, it separates the data into tokens, like with the help of space it separates the data. The default delimiter is a white space. White space means the space between the characters. For example, see in the figure, firstly we have entered the data from the keyboard like ABC, string data, 19.45 float data, 17 integer data, Rohit again is a string data and G is a single character data, or you can say character data. So scanner class accepts the data from the keyboard with the help of space and it separates the data into tokens, and after that it shows the data on the screen. So this way scanner class accepts the data, break it into tokens and shows on the terminal window. Clear, students? So students, today we have discussed the term delimiter. A delimiter is a sequence of one or more characters that separate two tokens, and we have discussed the various topics: input using scanner class, what is string, types of string, and what is delimiter. So students, revise the topic carefully, follow the examples and explanation that we have discussed, and in the next video we will come with next topic. Thank you very much.